This is one of those scenarios where you didn't know you missed something so much until you reconnect with it. This thing feels incredible. I took my mirrors off during storage and they got all poo-barred. They're just some cheapy bar end mirrors. I say this thing feels so good because it just feels like the perfect motorcycle. For me, anyways, whatever my body shape and size is. When I get into a corner, like, this is unbelievable how it feels. There's nothing like it. I've never ridden a bike that feels this good. I am going to be due for pads soon. And I usually do pads and rotors. I don't just pad slap. Rotors for this thing are pretty pricey. Just that huge oversized rotor. I think I might look into the 1190 rotors to see if they're interchangeable. I had wanted to run 1190 wheel set on this thing. I just got to find a guy that is confident that can color match the Hero Blue. From my understanding, these are chrome wheels with translucent powder coat to give you that certain effect. It's not just a regular paint. So if I can find a guy that can do that, I'll definitely scour down an 1190 wheel set. It just, I don't know, because this wheel set, it would make sense to go with the X1 for them. I can't fucking speak today. But I really wasn't going for a Hero Blue on the X1, but maybe I should. I think I'll just go this way. But I am really anxious to get on that X1. That thing is so cool. And I've really been getting the itch for an S1. Just having a carb version and a EFI version I think would be pretty cool. Essentially the same bikes, very, very subtle styling differences. I'm going for it, fuck it. For as clapped as the suspension is, it's not as horrible as I remember. Boom, 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 boom. She's never liked traffic though. And I think it has an issue. It has to do with the TBS. My idle adjuster is all fucked, so I can't get it dialed in. Well, it's a good thing I wanted to do the single piece throttle body for this thing off of the newer XBs, and that should come with the idle adjuster. Well, yeah, it's attached to it, so that'll be a repair and an update in one. This bike puts me in such a good mood. Another thing about Buells is these aren't just another bike on the road. The people that like these fucking love them. I'm going for it. Get yourself a Buell XB, you'll thank me. Just make sure she's clean, taken care of, the owner loves it. She was buying it from somebody who doesn't know what they have. Odds are she's been beat. And she's gonna take some loving. Like, this thing needs some loving. I didn't get it from the last owner. I got this from a dealership. The last owner that I'm in contact with. Traded it in at a dealership in West Bend. And then probably 8 months later, I see it at the dealership that I get my Yamaha shit at. So I went and looked at it, and it was unbelievably beautiful. I was like, how the hell is this not gone? So I got approved for it. I could have bought it with cash, but it just, I don't know. When you get approved and you don't got to take out most of your money for something, it's kind of nice. Everything made sense for it, so why not? But that was, I had to fight for it. Dealing with work, trying to get out of work on time, trying to get to the bank on time, trying to get to the dealership on time was just an absolute fucking nightmare. I was losing my shit because everything was going against me. People were taking their times, shit wasn't going through. And the dealership was kind of like making me more nervous because they told me there was a guy with cash ready to pick it up today. And it's like, it was worth every bit of the stress. She's just so pretty. I gotta find something to eat. I think I'm gonna end it here. Go about my day. It's still early in the morning. I don't know what I'm doing with myself yet today. But if you watched to this point, I appreciate it. Take care, guys.